Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today really short unboxing, and I will mount this propeller guard on my DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. What's the deal? Well, this wasn't available when I've purchased my drone, and I bought from eBay those like propeller guards which are literally just a couple of plastic bits. It looks like 3D printed and then padded. That's for the top propeller and that's for the bottom one. They're fine as long as there's no sun, no heat, because they will change shape. And I had that problem when I was in Tenerife and I left my camera backpack opened and I was flying my drone, and these little bits, they've been exposed to extreme sun and they just been deformated, so I had to heat them back on with a hairdryer to mold them back to the shape. But they're really fiddly and they're not really secure. I thought, finally I'm gonna buy something decent, and I'm just gonna open it here. That's very secure. Nicely packed. More plastic. And here it is. The bottom part is a hard plastic. The top part is really soft and nice orange silicone. Here, that's the way how you mount this, because that's actually a cover for those downwards facing sensors. That is literally all. I'm gonna cover my fly ID for the UK and the EU. There's no chance any propellers will move or fiddle or do anything. And yeah, I bought it off Amazon for I think $11.99 or $12.99. The affiliate link is down below. So if you're thinking of buying one, use that affiliate link, as it will help me to grow my channel and make more YouTube videos. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? This is actually decent plastic, so it will protect the drone. Sounds okay, looks okay. I believe it will make those 12 pounds I've spent on this propeller guard worth it. Let's wrap it up. $12.99, really nice, much better than these two fiddly bits. So I think it's definitely worth the money. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions about the video, also let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, because always help me and help the algorithm to boost the video so video can be shown to more people. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and hit that bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!